Truth versus lies. What is stronger, the truth or a lie? A lie may glitter for a moment, but the truth shines for eternity. Lies can build empires of deception, but every falsehood carries within it the seed of destruction. The higher a lie climbs, the harder it falls. Truth, on the other hand, may face hardship, rejection, even persecution, but in the end it stands unshaken. Nations that hold fast to truth find lasting honor. Nations that sink into lies collapse within. So remember, a lie may win today, but truth always claims victory tomorrow.